camping at First Landing. We got our kayaks and whatnot right there. It's awesome. So we're gonna spend the entire week here from Wednesday to Sunday. So yeah, we're checking in now, and then I'll show you guys our campsite here in a little while. Okay guys, so this is gonna be our campsite. Right there, that's the trucks and stuff over here, but I think we can put our tent right here on that tree right there and that one. So yeah. Alright guys, so sorry for the background noise. They're setting up some type of tent. But we got the hammocks set up. Sorry if it's a little bit shaky, I'm moving my mount. So we got the hammock set up. We got some type of knot here. It's like a sliding knot. That it's actually pretty good. Hopefully, we'll try it out. It's the first time ever. So we got the bug net in here, as you can see. And we got the hammock inside the bug net, and we gotta put the tarp on because it's supposed to be raining. So we got that there. But yeah, now we just gotta get the. You can't really see it, but there's no sleeping bag or pillow or anything in there, so we gotta put that in here next. So let's go get the thing. Alright guys, we're gonna get the sleeping bag hopefully. I can reach it. Oh my god. Yep, it's underneath all this. Let me get this real quick. Alright, sleeping bag acquired. Now we gotta get this thing here. This is my pillow. Alright guys, that's gonna end the vlog for today. Sorry my hammock's in the way a little bit. But yeah, so we had fun. We set up the hammock, drove down here, went to dinner at Bubba's again. And yeah, tomorrow should be way more interesting and probably be a little bit longer. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.